Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to chat in Google Mail. First of all, you can go to your Gmail app on your phone and then you can click on this button on the top left corner of your screen and scroll down, scroll your screen and find settings menu. Click on it. And you can choose the account that you want to use to chat someone on Gmail. And I'm choosing this account. Right? And then scroll down your screen and find chat option. It's right here. And then you can click on this, this button. Click on it. And wait for a moment. It's still restarting. Alright, and you can start your chat by clicking on this button. Alright. Wait. Alright, and you can click new chat right here to create new chat, and you can find the person that you want to chat. For example, I'm going to choose this account. Alright, and you can type your chat right here. Alright, and you can click send. You can click send right here. Okay guys, that's a tutorial from me. Thanks for watching.